Today, we'll get to explore what an AI agent is, how it will transform your life and your business. Let me give you a quick example. People think I really like Lane. Every time I go into the office, I see him and he just wants to go to Sam's and grab some pizza. So I get really upset. He thinks he's the leadership expert, but every time I talk to ChatGPT, it knows more. So what I did, I sent him for pizza one day, and guess what? He never came back. I replaced him with an AI agent. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. For decades, we have used tools that required specific instructions. If a customer clicks this, do that. An AI agent is different. You don't just give it instructions, you give it a goal. My name is George Moffat. I'm the founder of Orage. We are an AI agency. I have worked with over 100 successful service business owners. Today you'll learn about AI agents and how they're going to transform your business. You'll learn how an AI agent can help you increase conversion rate, automate the backend of your business, make data-driven decisions, and it will allow you to scale your business to the moon. Now, let's dive in. The one that we have the most data to pull out from, not just with AI agents, but it has been on several articles that the key to transforming your business and something that is gonna forex your business immediately is calling leads back in under 60 seconds. So if there's one use that you're gonna have for AI agents, it's gonna be that. In our case, we use it when someone fills out a form, we call them. If someone looks at our ad, we call them. If someone sends us text, we call them. We contact the lead when it's the hottest. And that has increased our conversion rate 393%. And I'm gonna leave the link so you can get your first AI agent for free, so you can click the AI blueprint. That agent can provide information, it can work as your receptionist. So if there's one use, you can put it with your brand voice, and this is the one that I would start with. The second one, and I really like this because the money is made on the boring stuff. And this is the boring stuff. All of the emails, scheduling, calendars, all of the backend of your business can be run by AI agents. All of those repetitive tasks, you just give to an agent, you create a workflow, and you automate. So the agent is your best employee and is able to work 24/7 on your business. I will put a list of tasks where we use our AI agents. But if you do it in a computer more than 3 times a day, 4 times a day, 10 times a week, an AI agent can do it, and you need to make sure to automate it. If you like this video, like this video. Number 3 is something that is extremely important for us, and it's making data-driven decisions. But I am no genius, so I just give the information to the agent, and I'm like, based on this past information, can you help me make the best decision? Let me give you a quick example. We're running ads, and they can get pretty expensive really fast. So what we did is that we created a tool that uses AI to calculate how much we are able to spend to get a client, and if what we're doing with our ads, it's actually profitable. But we cannot do all of that if we don't have the data to actually make that decision. So we have the data, we give it to an agent, and then based on what the agent reply is, we understand that what we're doing is actually good for our business. This is just a quick example on how we're doing data-driven decisions. But there's so much more. We can even go to data mining and businesses that have been operating for 5 years, 10 years. You understand who your prospects are, how much they're gonna spend with you, how long they're gonna stay with you. And you can do that just by giving your past information to AI. In this case, having an AI agent that is dedicated just to help you make data-driven decisions is gonna be the key. It's like having an employee look over your records, look over your past information, tell you which contracts were the best, which clients were the best. And you can do that in plain English. It doesn't even get complex. It's literally like sending an email to your new hire and getting all of that information back that you need. Number 4 is a really important one, is what is actually gonna allow you to scale your business. At the beginning, I told you about one AI agent, but what happens with AI is that you can hire as many as you want. You don't have a limit. You can expand your team without increasing overhead, without more headaches. This will allow you to have unlimited growth. With AI agents, you can decide what they do. Something that we do is that we have a receptionist, Stacy. That's our first AI agent. Then after that, we have a customer service agent. We have a sales agent. We have an agent that is doing research. We have an agent that is nurturing our lead. All of that while still being a 2-person company. Instead of hiring for the solution, you can give that to AI And that way, you're never gonna stop growing. So whenever you think of an AI agent, you need to think of an expert in their field. You give it the instructions and it will come back with a perfect result. Now that you understand how many roles they can take, AI agents become the key to scaling your business. If you want to continue learning about AI and how you can implement it on your business, subscribe to the channel. That's all we talk about, that's all I know, so you'll enjoy. And you'll learn a lot. I don't think YouTube has enough space for me to explain everything that an AI agent is capable of doing. But I wanted to highlight those 4 parts. One is increasing conversion rate. There's nothing else that can boost your efficiency. There's nothing else that can boost your growth 4x like an AI agent can. Number 2 is gonna be all of the boring stuff. All of the stuff that you have to do for your business that you don't really wanna do. At least I don't want to do it. If you like emails, if you like scheduling, good, but I don't like to do it, and you can give all of those tasks to an AI agent. Number 3 is gonna be data-driven decisions. Instead of going like me and going like, this looks like 17,000, this looks like 5,000, you actually make it based on the information that you have. And number 4 is that it maximizes scalability. You're able to get hires daily. You're able to solve problems daily. You don't have to do things by yourself. You are not alone anymore. You can get the perfect hire in a day. So whenever you think of AI agents, just think of new people that you're onboarding to your team, but without the headaches. They're gonna be experts in their field, and they will allow you to maximize efficiency and growth in your business. So now that you know what an AI agent is and how you can use it on your business, go and take the world by storm.